Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my new Quip electric toothbrush and also do a first impressions. Right now I'm using a standard manual toothbrush and I actually haven't used an electric toothbrush in a really long time. I think the last time I've used one was about 15 years ago. Back then I was using a Sonicare toothbrush and I think at the time I had braces and my orthodontist had recommended it to me. I don't think that there were actually a lot of electric toothbrushes out on the market, and I know technology has come a long way since, but I think if I remember correctly, the Sonicare did the job. It did get my teeth clean and I liked it while I had it. I do remember it taking up a lot of counter space. There was a little docking station for it to be charged in, and after a while the toothbrush stopped holding a charge, which is why I had to eventually get rid of it. I had been seeing some ads for Quip online just as I've been browsing through different websites. I really liked its minimal design and I thought that it looked very travel friendly and portable, which is why I thought I'd give it a try. Another reason why I wanted to look into using an electric toothbrush again is because I feel like the way that I use a manual toothbrush might not be the best. I do brush my teeth a little bit aggressively. I think I brush my teeth too hard and for too long. I'm hoping that the built-in timer in the Quip toothbrush and also the movement of the bristles will help me kind of be a little bit more aware of these two things that I'm doing. I don't know if Quip will solve all of my problems, but I'm definitely open to giving it a try. I made my order online and I want to say within like 3 days or so my order arrived, which I thought was pretty quick. We're just gonna go right on ahead and open up this package. So in the package there's this card and it says, "Hello there, welcome to Quip." It looks like it just gives you a little overview on using it. So it tells you to remove the Quip from its travel cover, you can stick it on the mirror, and it also tells you a little bit about how to operate the toothbrush as well. It also came with this other handout, which I think is probably a little bit more detailed description of taking care of your toothbrush. Pretty detailed page on technique of brushing your teeth, which I think will probably help me a lot. So these are the two toothbrushes that I ordered. In case you're wondering, both of these are not for me. One of them is for Chris. He likes the color black, so he got the slate color and I got the metallic silver. Just at first glance, I would say that I really like the packaging. I like that I can see straight through this. I think this might actually be their travel case that it comes with, this clear part. It seems to be sterile too. There's a little like tear off thing that you need to open up. It says "Twist Me." And here is the toothbrush. So everything is taped in very secure so nothing comes apart. So let me just take off some of this tape here. So this part just comes right out, and I'm guessing that this is pretty much all you need. On the back here, it looks like there's a little portion that you can stick. It says you can stick it to clean, glossy, flat and dry mirror, glass, or tile. So I won't be removing that part yet because I still need to figure out where I want to put this. Okay, so maybe I jumped the gun a little bit and I should have read through this first, because I just read that they highly recommend browsing the included booklet before I start using my toothbrush. So I will also insert some close-ups of the toothbrush. Obviously not the one that I just used, but I will do close-ups of Chris's toothbrush so that you can see what the Quip looks like. What I think is funny is that as I'm looking through this booklet right now, it says that a lot of us brush too hard for too short of a time. While I just tested out the Quip, it does pause every 30 seconds so that you can move the toothbrush around to different areas of your mouth. The insert suggests to concentrate brushing on 1/4 of your mouth at a time, and every 30 seconds the toothbrush will pulse until it stops. What I noticed is that when the toothbrush is about to stop, it pulses 3 times, and that's how you know that the 2 minutes of brushing your teeth is done and you should be good to go. Something that I thought was funny actually is that while I know I already brush my teeth too hard, using the toothbrush timer, I actually felt like I don't brush my teeth long enough. While I was following the pulses every 30 seconds, it did actually feel a little bit longer than how I usually brush my teeth. So this is my first time using the Quip toothbrush, and overall I feel like my teeth feel clean and fresh. The only thing that I think I need to get used to is holding the electric toothbrush as it's vibrating. I kind of feel a sensation in my hand while I'm doing that. Right when I came back on camera, I was actually having a hard time talking. I don't know what it did to me, but it was making me stumble over my words a lot, so I did have to repeat myself as I was filming this video. Now I feel pretty okay though, but that's the one like funny thing that I noticed when I first started talking after brushing my teeth. I do really like the design of this toothbrush. It doesn't feel bulky, it's very lightweight. It's very comfortable to hold in your hand while you're using it, and I think that this was a pretty good long-term investment decision. I'm definitely looking forward to see how it works when the other brush heads come in. In the package that I had received, I just received the 2 toothbrushes but no additional brush heads. I guess online I wasn't really sure if you know, the 1-year prepay was gonna come with all of the toothbrush heads already, or if it was something I was gonna have to wait for. But now I know that it's something that's gonna be coming in the mail to me every 3 months. Anyways, well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions about my experience using the toothbrush, let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing and first impressions on the Quip toothbrush. If anyone out there is looking to try this toothbrush, I hope that some of this information was helpful to you. Thank you so much for making it this far into the video. I actually am hoping, I know I'm very new to YouTube and posting videos, but something that I am trying to do is to build subscribers to this channel, and I'm hoping, there's only like 14 of you right now, but I'm hoping that maybe by September I will try to get to 100. I definitely want to just kind of ask for your help with that. Obviously, the only way that I can get subscribers is if all of you out there, you know, like the videos that I'm posting. That's just something that I've set kind of as a goal for myself. So if you want to help me reach that goal, feel free to click on that subscribe button and like this video so that I know you like this content. Let me know if there's any other videos that you'd like to see in the future. I do like to try out different products. Of course, you know, all the things that I buy and talk about in my videos are 100% purchased with my own money. So I can't go too crazy with that, but I try my best. And there are a lot of things out there that I'm interested in anyway and would probably eventually buy. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!